There's something you need to know about artificial intelligence replacing jobs, something that no one is telling you, and this could change your life. So keep watching. In this video, I'm going to show you what really is going on with AI taking over all the jobs. We're going to look at why some people say it will and others say it won't. And by the end of this video, I want you to be able to make up your own mind on where you think things are going. You see, there are two sides to every argument, and this is a big one. Will humans always do all the work, or will robots eventually take over? First, let's consider the possibility that AI will replace all jobs. It may sound like science fiction, but hear me out. Let's start with the basics. What is AI? Artificial intelligence is essentially computer programs that mimic human intelligence. These programs can learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems just like humans. But unlike humans, they can do it faster, cheaper, and without getting tired. This means that AI could theoretically replace many jobs that currently require human intelligence. Think about it. If a computer program can learn to drive a car, why not replace truck drivers? If a robot can learn to cook a burger, why not replace fast food workers? And if an algorithm can learn to write code, why not replace software engineers? Well, it's already happening. Take, for example, the trucking industry. Self-driving trucks are being tested on public roads, and companies like Tesla are developing their own trucking service. It won't be long before AI-powered trucks are hauling goods across the country. Or how about retail? AI-powered robots are already working in warehouses to pick and pack orders. Someday they might even replace warehouse workers altogether. And then there's coding. AI-powered tools can generate code just by reading natural language. That means that coders may soon be replaced by non-programmers. Of course, there are some jobs that require more human touch. Things like doctors, lawyers, and teachers will likely remain safe for now. But what about the jobs that don't? What happens when AI takes over those jobs? Well, that's where things get interesting. Some people say that this will be a good thing. They argue that AI will free up humans to do more creative and fulfilling work. Others say it will be a disaster. They worry that millions of people will be left without jobs and that society will be thrown into chaos. So who's right? Well, it depends on how you look at it. Let's start with the optimists. These are the people who believe that AI will make our lives easier and better. They point to all the ways that AI is already improving our lives, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants to AI-powered healthcare. These people believe that AI will only continue to improve our lives in the future, and there is evidence to support their claims. A study by McKinsey Global Institute found that AI could automate up to 800 million jobs by 2030, but also create 97 million new jobs. In other words, AI could replace 800 million people, but also create 97 million new jobs. So overall, the net effect would be a gain of 17 million jobs. Of course, this is just a prediction, and only time will tell what actually happens. But it's still a hopeful sign that AI could help us create more jobs rather than destroy them. But what about the pessimists? Why do some people think that AI will destroy the world? Well, they have some valid concerns. For example, they worry that AI will cause massive unemployment. After all, if AI can replace 800 million workers, what's to stop it from replacing 97 million more? Or how about the fact that AI could be used to create autonomous weapons? Imagine a world where killer robots run amok, causing havoc and destruction. It's a scary thought, but it's not entirely far-fetched. In fact, some experts believe that AI-powered weapons are already being developed. So what should we do about it? Well, that's a tough question, and there is no easy answer. But one thing is for sure, we need to be careful. AI is a powerful tool that can be used for good or for evil. It's up to us to make sure that it's used responsibly. So here's what you need to know. First of all, AI is already replacing some jobs, and it will continue to do so in the future. However, it's also creating new jobs. Whether AI will ultimately replace all jobs depends on how we develop and use it. If we use it responsibly, then there's no reason to think that it will cause widespread unemployment or other problems. However, if we don't use it responsibly, then yes, AI could potentially replace all jobs and lead to disaster. The bottom line is that AI is a powerful tool that we need to use wisely. Don't let the doomsday predictions scare you, but don't be naive enough to think that AI will never affect your job. Instead, focus on learning how to use AI to your advantage. Learn how to work with AI-powered tools and use them to make your life easier. Now let's look at the other side of the argument. Will AI ever replace all jobs? The answer is probably not. There are some jobs that simply cannot be automated, at least not yet. These include jobs that require creativity, empathy, and critical thinking skills. Take writers, for example. Can AI write a novel or screenplay? Sure, it can churn out a decent piece of writing if given the right prompts. But can it write something truly original and captivating? Not yet. AI-generated content is already a thing, yes, but it's far from replacing writers anytime soon. What about artists? Can AI create a beautiful painting or sculpture? Again, it can imitate styles and create something that's technically proficient. But can it create something truly unique and moving? Not yet. AI art is already a thing, but it's far from replacing artists anytime soon. Then there are jobs that require physical dexterity and strength. Can AI play a musical instrument or perform surgery? It can certainly learn and mimic movements, but can it replace the nuance and precision of a human musician or surgeon? Not yet. AI-assisted tools are already being used in both music and medicine, but they're far from replacing humans anytime soon. The truth is that there are many jobs that require a unique combination of skills and abilities that are difficult to automate, and that's just the way it is. While AI can replace some jobs, it's unlikely to replace all of them. Here are some jobs that AI will never replace. First, any job that requires creativity. AI can mimic styles and trends, but it can't come up with anything truly original. That's because creativity is a uniquely human trait. It requires imagination, intuition, and emotion, something that AI can't replicate. Then there are jobs that require empathy and interpersonal skills. AI can process information and respond accordingly, but it can't understand or share the feelings of others. That's why jobs like therapists, counselors, and social workers will never be replaced by AI. Finally, there are jobs that require physical dexterity and finesse. AI can operate machinery and perform repetitive tasks, but it can't replace the precision and nuance of a human being. That's why jobs like surgeons, musicians, and chefs will never be replaced by AI. At the end of the day, AI is a tool. It's up to us humans to decide how to use it. Some people believe that AI will eventually replace all jobs. Others believe that there will always be jobs that require human touch. Only time will tell which of these predictions is correct. But one thing is for sure, AI is here to stay. So it's important to learn how to use it to our advantage. That's all for this video, folks. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Have a great day.